Hey guys, if you wonder that can you get custom always on display theme on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or S25, then the quick answer is there is no feature to adjust or get custom wallpapers or theme on always on display, because if you go to the always on display here, if you turn it on from here, you can just find show lock screen wallpaper. If you turn it off, then you only get the clock with a black screen. Here you won't get the wallpaper that on your lock screen, but also you can just get a black screen with your clock and other uh, widgets. So if you turn it on, then you can get the back screen as a background as your clock screen lock screen. And from here you can just go with this show neighbor or when to show, you can select as always, but there is no option to select custom always on display theme. But you can just download some different themes from your themes store for your always on display. Here is your Galaxy themes, and where you will find AODs, and this is actually always on display themes you can get from here. But there is no option to create custom always on display on your device. But you can do is you can set a custom lock screen to get a reflection of this lock screen on your always on display. If you have turned on this feature, like from here, make sure that you have turned on show lock screen wallpaper, so you will get a reflection of your lock screen on your always on display. So if you add a custom wallpaper on your lock screen, then you can get the custom wallpaper on your always on display. For example, if you want to add your own image, I don't have any own image. Let me edit this image for a second. Let me rotate it, click on save, and I'm going to add this image as my lock screen image. Then for example, this is if you want to add your image, your own image on the lock screen, then you can add it to the lock screen. Then you can set as lock screen and tap on lock screen, and from here, sorry, let me do it again, set up as a lock screen, and simply it will give a preview and tap on done, and it will set this photo at the lock screen. And you can see this is actually my lock screen, and when I go to always on display, then it is reflecting my lock screen, and actually it looks like that I have just put a custom photo, custom wallpaper on my always on display. So that's the only way that you can put a custom display on your, or the custom wallpaper on your always on display. It's pretty simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.